Hello everyone. To make your Lovable application production ready, it's highly recommended to use a hosting provider like Cloudflare or Vercel. Personally, I recommend Cloudflare because it's fast, cost-effective, and incredibly easy to configure. In this video, we'll walk through exactly how to deploy a Lovable application from scratch. Before we get started, you will just need two things: a free Cloudflare account and also a GitHub account. Don't worry if you're new to these platforms. We're going to cover every single step right now. Once your GitHub account is ready, head to the bottom left corner of the Lovable editor, open the menu, and click on GitHub. If your account isn't linked yet, simply click Connect. Lovable will automatically generate a dedicated repository for your project. Keep this repository name in mind, as we'll need to select it over on Cloudflare. Next, switch over to your Cloudflare dashboard. On the left sidebar, click on Compute and Workers and Pages, and click Create Application. Click Continue with GitHub, and select the right GitHub account, and also the right Lovable project repository. You can double check back at Lovable that you're connecting to the right repository. Click that, click Next, and now you're on this screen. Everything is pre-filled for you, but for the build command, just make sure that you're running npm run build. This will make our downstream actions easier. Finally, click Deploy. This is now going to take a while, up to 2 minutes of your time. Now, depending on your initial project setup, this first deployment attempt might fail with a build error related to bun install or missing lock files. If you see an error like this, don't worry. It's a very common issue and very easy to fix. Just head on back to your Lovable project and we will fix it from there. I'll provide the actual prompt in the description below, but essentially we're asking Lovable to remove the bun file and lock file, keep npm and update package lock.json to the latest dependencies. Lovable will instantly clean up the file configuration and push the fix to your GitHub repository, and then Cloudflare will pick it up and the build will continue to run. Back in Cloudflare, you'll see a new build automatically trigger. While we wait for it to complete, let's go ahead and set up a custom domain. Navigate to the Domains tab in your project and click Add Domain. I'll not go through that because my domain is already onboarded to Cloudflare. But then, going back to your worker, you want to click on the Domains tab. Since the build is not ready, everything will be inactive. However, that doesn't stop you from adding a domain. Since my domain is already set up, I can click on the domain and set to deploy on that domain or a subdomain. In here, I will use superpowers. Now I have added the custom domain. As soon as the build is ready, this URL will be accessible to the internet. Once the build is done, you'll be able to see it. Let's open a new browser tab, navigate to our custom URL, and test it out. There it is. A Lovable app is fully deployed, live, and running via Cloudflare. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.